If you've ever bought a house, you know the waiting game. 30 to 45 days of silence, punctuated by sudden requests for physical paperwork. That friction is compounded by traditional banking hours. If you're a freelancer, an investor, or just someone working a 9 to 5, finding time to sit in a branch office at 2 p.m. on a Tuesday is a major roadblock. MortgageToday bypasses that analog system entirely. It operates as a digital-first brokerage designed to remove physical choke points. By replacing the local loan officer's desk with a continuous digital ecosystem, they can take a mortgage application from submission to a clear to close in 7 to 14 days. But reaching that velocity requires a trade. You have to drop traditional banking habits and adopt a fully digital application process. Think of it as a strict equation: your upfront digital preparation combined with MortgageToday's automated technology stack equals high-speed funding. Traditional banks offer exactly one lender's products. MortgageToday's digital system connects your application to a wholesale network of over 200 lenders simultaneously. Having lenders compete drives down interest rates and closing costs, saving the average borrower $9,000. To capture those savings and that speed, you need to optimize your financial profile before you even hit the apply button. The system works, but its output relies completely on your willingness to adopt an asynchronous, digital-first workflow from day one. The primary input this platform demands is strict digitization. Every tax return, every bank statement, and every signature must be handled through their secure digital mortgage platform. There are no physical drop-offs. Manual document handling breaks the automated processing chain. The system needs clean data to feed its algorithms. As this badge highlights, feeding the system clean, digital data eliminates manual processing delays and enables same-day approvals. This velocity is especially critical for non-traditional earners. This confirmation graphic shows a self-employed bank statement purchase clearing to close in just 7 days, and the speed scales to complex portfolios. Here we see an Investor Flex DSCR purchase, a leverage-heavy real estate loan, cleared to close in exactly 13 days. The trade-off is absolute organization. If your documents are scattered across shoeboxes or blurry smartphone photos, the timeline stalls. In this ecosystem, your digital readiness is the exact metric that determines your timeline. Organized PDFs translate directly into funding velocity. Comprehensive upfront data accelerates the clock, serving as primary fuel for the wholesale matching engine. If you are self-employed, the system needs your 12 to 24 months of bank statements. If you hold crypto assets, it needs those verified records loaded in immediately. Once uploaded, the technology actively routes your financial profile through the network, finding the wholesale lenders most likely to approve your scenario. The engine forces those matched lenders to compete for your business. That automated bidding war is the mechanism generating those $9,000 savings. Providing this massive data block upfront also solves a major industry problem: the dreaded conditional approval. Rigorous early documentation prevents underwriters from demanding surprise paperwork days before closing. Gathering maximum financial data before you apply isn't a hurdle. It is a protective measure that locks in lower fees and guarantees a predictable closing date. This digital model also shifts how you talk to your loan officer. You won't be scheduling any formal hour-long sit-down meetings. Instead, borrower communication happens exclusively through modern asynchronous channels. You will interact with the brokerage team using text messages, email, or WhatsApp. The distinct advantage here is responsiveness. Because the team isn't trapped in back-to-back branch meetings, they offer support well outside of standard banking hours. If you expect to shake hands across a mahogany desk, this model will feel jarring. The relationship is entirely remote and highly transactional by design. But if you are a digital nomad, a busy real estate investor, or a remote worker juggling time zones, asynchronous chat is a massive functional upgrade over rigid bank schedules. Because of these strict digital requirements, MortgageToday's platform is highly specialized. It is built to serve specific profiles, not the entire market. The first ideal candidate is the self-employed entrepreneur. They need the flexibility of bank statement loans without the punitive delays traditional banks impose. The second fit is the real estate investor. They rely on DSCR loans and require rapid 13-day turnarounds to stay competitive on new properties. The third group encompasses first-time buyers and digital nomads who prioritize a modern, remote interface over a physical handshake. Conversely, if you prefer managing your finances entirely on paper and want a local brick-and-mortar office to visit, This ecosystem will frustrate you. Aligning your personal communication and organizational style with the platform's tech-heavy nature is the only way to extract its full value. If that profile matches yours, there are 3 actionable steps you need to take right now to prepare for the fastest possible approval. Step 1. Digitize your entire financial life. Convert every pay stub, tax return, and bank record into clearly labeled, legible PDFs. Step 2. Identify your specific income category. Knowing whether you need a W-2, self-employed, or investor loan streamlines the initial match with the right wholesale lender. Step 3. Decide on your preferred rapid communication channel. Pick WhatsApp or email, and commit to monitoring it closely for the next 2 weeks. Looking at this digital business card, you can see how to connect directly with Kevin Rodriguez and the MortgageToday team to initiate the tech stack. By front-loading the administrative work, you let property. Put in the digital preparation today, and you lock in frictionless, high-speed funding tomorrow.